In today's video, if you're short on cash, this video will discuss some simple ways to make money in your efforts. With that said, stay tuned and watch this very carefully. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on the red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So, I read a blog post about 19 easy ways to get money. If you've been watching the channel, you've probably seen me compare how people generate money in blog posts and videos. Let's be honest, there are 19 simple ways to get money, which is a lot of ideas, yet most people never do something about it. Now, to make up for my mistakes, I want to sort this out and discover the light switch in the darkness since I'm not sure which one will bring me freedom. I'll break down everything else so you can find quick ways to create money to save you time and money. So let's break this down. This is from earnsmartonline.com. You can just look at her blog, but let's look at her 19 ways and see if we can find 7 that might actually work. If none of these work, that's fine because I have 2 surefire ways that could make you $2,000 by the end of today if you do this right. Now, $2,000 before the end of the day sounds crazy, but I want this channel to be a place where you can get honest advice about money. So this one is getting the Nielsen app to quickly make $50. Want to earn money on the internet? People who are part of the Nielsen mobile app can get $50 today. Now, this one is pretty okay. Some people do it to make money by filling out surveys, but it's probably not in line with your goals or what you're excited about, so I think it's a waste of time. Not only are you spending so much time to make $50, but it's only $50. I mean, how much is your time actually worth? If you work an hour of your life, who's to say that hour is only worth $50? Now, the ways I'll show you guys later is that your hour could actually be worth a lot more than $50. With that said, if you absolutely need to get $50 quickly, this can be a viable option. A tip though, don't spend all your time answering questions if you want to make money quickly. People have been able to live for hundreds of thousands of years because of your brain. Even though we have such a smart brain, we waste it filling out surveys and questionnaires. When it goes into survival mode and has to think creatively to make money, it'll find a way to make a lot more money much faster than you ever thought possible, especially if you don't waste time filling out surveys. Likewise, Swagbucks Survey Junkie is also pretty bad, but Fiverr is great because you can sell a $30 gig that fits your skills. So if you edit videos, take pictures, and so on, you might make money regularly, but if you want to make money quickly, it's gonna take time. You have to have a skill that people want to buy, and you're competing with a lot of other people selling the same thing as you. So, I wouldn't agree. DoorDash is a great service that pays up to $25 per hour to deliver meals. So here's what I'm thinking. When it comes to making money and taking care of my family, I never wanted to do anything that wasn't related to my life goals. When I see something like make fast money driving Uber, I like it. I know that Uber seems obvious because it's so common, but I never wanted to do things that were like jobs. Uber is fine because you get to talk to people and run your own business, and some people definitely make a lot of money doing it. I mean, one guy sold jewelry from his Uber desk. He never sold it right away, but people would ask about it, and in his first year, he made $250,000 by selling jewelry and telling stories about it. Find someone with a lot of money and help them with their biggest problem if you need money quickly. Now, your time should be the most valuable thing you have. Every minute, you should be asking yourself if the people you're spending time with or the videos you're watching are hurting you or helping you. If the first is true, don't do it again. You'll save a lot of time. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below. And if you do, that would be awesome. Without further ado, let's get back to work and earn some cash. Another one we have is getting money fast by viewing videos. College me tried this, and I was browsing the internet and something popped up a number of videos, so I watched them and gave them comments. Bigger companies extract more information from consumers so they can sell more things by understanding their psychology. They may pay you pennies for minutes of your life, but they make thousands of dollars from the data you give them. Now back then, I was always looking for the quick hack, whether it was eBay, Etsy, Amazon, or something else. Every time I made money, it was short-lived, so it was always a band-aid solution to a much deeper problem. Another is Rakuten's $10, formerly eBay's. Now, you watch this video because you're creative, right? You put effort into learning this. Now, it takes the same amount of time and energy to save $10 or $50 as it does to make $100 a day, $300 a day, or $10,000 a month. The only difference is there's less competition because people believe it's too hard when in fact it's a lot easier because there aren't that many people doing the same thing. There's also get free money right now as sign-up bonuses on Swagbucks, so a lot of it is repetitive. Now, if you want to get money fast, rent out your car. My parents rented out their rooms to random people they met at the Filipino grocery store, which is weird, but for some reason, the Filipino community is so strong. So, if you need money today, rent anything you own. So, golf clubs, bicycles, your clothes, your bedroom, that's one thing when we talk about passive income. The 4 laws of passive income, where if you could rent things you already own or get paid for what you're already doing, that's good. Okay, here's Paribus refunds. If you want to make long-lasting money, you can't rely on tax refunds or refunds from products you buy. We need to create rapid money in a way that attracts more riches, much like a poor attitude did. Rover savings, jobs, pet sitting. If you love dogs, by all means do it. But if, as I said, you need money every 3 months, it's not that you don't have the money. It's that what you're doing isn't working. If you're continually battling for money and want to find quick ways to take cash, perform these tasks, maybe lose your ego for a little bit, work for Uber and babysit like how all of these blog articles say about making quick cash. This will be a never again moment because you'll be learning from it and developing from it. I've met a lot of folks while traveling who make money teaching Chinese kids English online. Chinese kids pay more, especially if they live in China, because many parents want their children to speak English. Now, some kids don't even understand what you're saying. They just want to be steeped in American culture. With that, this is an excellent way to get additional money if you have an American accent. By the way, comment down below, I am from this country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So, drop your country's name in the comments down below. Over here, get a loan. $15,000 personal loan. Now, how will you pay back the loan you took out? How do you plan on paying back the loan? You'll need to see more videos like these if you want to learn more, right? Because we were never taught about money. Now, I want to tell you what you need to hear, not what you want to hear. Getting a loan is fine if the money you're borrowing is gonna be used to make more money. Otherwise, you'll just be paying interest and getting even more broke. Moving on, you can also join Acorns to earn $50 selling stock photos. Now, this is good for someone who doesn't have much and needs $50 quickly and is short $50. I've never wanted to be in a place where I couldn't find $50. $50, when did it begin? I don't know how many blog posts I read to find a solution to that problem, but none of them worked. I knew that the only way to make real money was to solve a big issue, so I did it by taking on a big problem and coming up with a solution that works. That said, the best way to go about it is to go to businesses. Stop here for a moment. I want you to take a deep breath and feel the money flowing your way because things will become better sooner. Before I reveal to you the last tips and tricks, we would like you to smash that like button as well as hit that red subscribe button, and so we will make these dreams come true. Oh, you completed that already? Thank you. And so let's begin the last step in making money online. So in Yelp, a lot of people and businesses need help. You can find restaurants, but not always restaurants because the profit margins for restaurants are low. The best way to make money is to find a company with problems and fix them. If you called each dentist and asked, "What is your biggest problem?" I could figure it out. A lot of them have trouble getting on the internet. Because of the pandemic, everyone knows that they can't rely on word-of-mouth marketing and that they need to do online promotion instead. There are so many ways you could do that well. You could offer video services, photography services, help them make courses, help them market on Facebook, or help them market via email. Check out the links below to my blog to find out how. Now ask any of these businesses what their biggest problem is, and if you worked for them for free for a week or two, you could solve it by watching my free videos and applying what I'm teaching you to their business. For 10-15 hours a day, you'll get $2,000 a month. Second, do a good job of selling affiliate programs with high fees. So, for example, I show this all the time and I can't tell you enough that you can actually go in here and see all these people just like you see those video ads all the time, right? I could sell that item for half as much. I have a full article on how to build an email list and start a blog on your own website to attract the people you want to do business with through affiliate marketing and other means. You could sell this and get a 50% commission, which you could then use to make money. This is the quickest way I can think of to earn. You solve people's problems by charging them a lot of money. You want to make money quickly? That's even easier than any of these. Since I was 18, I've done all of these things. It took longer than you might think, and the fastest way was to work with local businesses or sell affiliate products. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video, and if you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.